Hi, I'm Nancy Gravatt with Fairfax County Public Library, and I'm very happy to be here talking with Ted Kavich today, our programming manager for the library. And we're talking about an exciting event coming up, the first ever Library Comic Con, being held at Chantilly High School Saturday, May 13 from 10 a.m. till 2:30 p.m. And just an aside, we have a poll going on today. Wanted to get you involved and just tell us yes or no. Do you plan to come to the Library Comic Con? So now, Ted,
yes.
For those of us who don't fully know what Comic Con is about, tell us a little bit about what
Comic Con. So if you are a geek or a nerd like I am, Comic Con is a wonderful day. It's a chance to meet with other geeks and nerds and share the things that we all love. You get to meet your idols, authors at things like San Diego Comic Con, which is the biggest ever. You meet all kinds of TV stars and of course authors and movie stars and people from behind the scenes and different media. It's very exciting. And you play games, you shop. Vendors are always a part of a good Comic Con. You eat, you meet people. It's just a really fun day, and it's really a celebration of being geeky. All the things that come with that.
Wow, that's awesome. It sounds like there are going to be really an exciting festivities going on.
Oh, yeah.
And a lot of people have a chance to meet their idols, which is very cool. So who are some of your guests you're going to have this year?
Well, our keynote speaker is the author Jean Lewin Yang, who wrote he writes the Secret Coders graphic novel series and the Last Airbender, Avatar: The Last Airbender series. He's wonderful. He's going to do the keynote talk at 10:30. But we have a lot of other fun guests. There'll be vendors and artists will be lining the hallways with their tables. They'll be selling their wares and talking to fans and things like that, which will be great. We have some workshops we're offering as well. One exciting one is the Star Wars costumers with the 501st Legion are going to be there to teach us about Star Wars costuming, like building armor and fun stuff like that.
Oh.
So that's one of the workshops we're offering during the day.
Oh, that sounds awesome. Very fun. So for those of you who might have joined us late, I'm Nancy Gravatt with the Fairfax County Public Library, and I'm talking here with Ted Kavich, our programming manager, about our first Library Comic Con. Again, if you have any questions, send them our way. So Ted, what other things do you have planned for the day?
Cosplay. So
Cool.
Cosplay.
So what this is about?
Yes, I'm demonstrating some very basic cosplay. I mean, cosplay can be wearing a Captain America t-shirt and carrying your Captain America shield, but you also can really get into it. People design costumes to look like their favorite character from a movie or an anime or a book even, whatever that is, or a brand new character they make up. Cosplay is really delightful, and it's a fun kind of way to participate in the fandom. It's neat when you go to a Comic-Con and you're dressed as, say, Captain America, and you walk by another Captain America. Hey! Another fun thing is when other attendees want their picture with you because you look like that character that they love, and that's always a fun thing too, yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. And do you have a little prop about what's going on with the program or anything you can share further?
Yes, in fact, let me just set this down over here, and I will tell you that when you check in at Comic-Con, at the beginning of the day, you'll get this nifty little schedule of events. It's probably not coming through too well, but it's great. It will tell you what's happening where during the day. So again, Jean Lewin Yang is speaking. Oh, I will hold it up. There you go. So Jean Lewin Yang is speaking at 10:30. Sorry, there you are. And then we have a morning workshop, which is the Star Wars costumers. We have an afternoon workshop, which is all about Magic the Gathering, the card game, the TCG, collectible card game. And then we also have, let me take a quick peek to remind myself, Nerd Jeopardy. There's going to be a game, Nerd Jeopardy. So trivia game for nerds. So questions about, Doctor Who, Star Wars, movies, things like that. That ought to be pretty fun. Harry Potter, things like that. And there's going to be a panel following Jean Yang's talk. There's going to be a panel discussion on the comics industry, of the comics business. Oh. So for aspiring artists and writers, that would be a neat way for them to ask questions of people in the industry, people who actually work in comic studios and things like that. That'll be really cool. And again, all day vendors and artists. We will have food trucks on site as well, so you can get a sandwich or a quesadilla or a Belgian waffle, things like that. We'll have some food available, which is good. So
Very good.
Yeah.
We like food.
Yes, yes.
And I like your logo. It's very cool.
Yes, our wonderful graphics team put this together, and we have this nifty kind of branding for the Comic-Con there. And of course, our library logo is prominent as well. And also on the back, when you get to the event, you can see all the logos from our wonderful supporters and sponsors. We have a lot of wonderful helpers. The Chantilly, the Friends of the Chantilly Regional Library are supporting the event because it is in their area. A lot of the Chantilly Library staff members are on board, as well as staff from around the system, which is great. So it was really a system effort, but Chantilly's kind of the hub. They're sort of the center of the effort, which is great. And then we have the wonderful folks from One More Page Books on site to sell Gene's books for the book signing, which is great.
Awesome.
So
So I could get a signed copy of his book.
You could. There's a limit of 2 books a person because we expect a lot of people to want books signed, so we got to keep the line moving somewhat. So yeah, but there will be a chance to meet Gene and have him sign books.
And is there a cost for this great festival?
It's free.
Oh, wow. Awesome.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yes, exactly. So as per our library events are free to the public. So and it's also for all ages. I think real little kids won't have much to do, but I think once you get to the grade schoolers and up, they're going to have a lot of fun at this event. It's going to be really great.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Ted. Did anything that we might have missed, or is that?
Yes, I want to mention that we are still looking for volunteers as well. We're looking, especially for teen volunteers. We'd love to get some teen volunteers recruited. We have some ready to go. The way to find the volunteer application and submit your application is to go to the fairfaxcounty.gov, the county website, click on volunteering, and that'll bring you to a page, and I think the link is click for our new volunteer system, and you click on that, and there actually is a banner graphic for Comic-Con, so it's easy to find how to get to the application. If you want to volunteer, there's a mandatory training for volunteers at Chantilly Library next Tuesday at 7 o'clock. So you have to make sure you can make that training if you want to volunteer. But it's your chance to help out at the event. You get to attend the event and actually do a little work for the event too. It's fun.
Sounds like a great opportunity. So, well, thank you so much, Ted, and thank you, all of you, for joining us today. Don't forget to like us. And also, I just wanted, for someone who might be wondering where exactly Chantilly High School is, it's 4201 Stringfellow Road in Chantilly, Virginia. And we really look forward to seeing you there. So thank you so much.
Thank you.